Hey there, so welcome to the channel. Job today is this roof clean. Just having a cup of tea while the bin fills up with water. I'm set up here ready to go. It's a pretty mossy job here. What I normally do is pressure wash the roof and apply the Biocide after. So in particular what I'm using today, I've got a brand new pump box from Window Cleaning Warehouse. Really nice little bit of kit, really pleased to get hold of it. So I'll talk more about that later, and we'll be using that to apply the Biocide solution to the roof after I've pressure washed it. Should be a good transformation. I'm set up ready to go with the Mossmatic 12-inch flat surface cleaner on my high mod pole like I normally use. Pressure washer set up ready to go. I'm doing the driveway as well afterwards. So if the bin's ready to go, let's crack on with this. So here it is then. This is the pump box from Window Cleaning Warehouse, brand new. Window Cleaning Warehouse got in touch with me and said, did you want to try it? And I said, I've actually been looking for a similar solution just like this, so really excited to try it and use it, show you how it works. If I show you inside, it's just got a nice neat little battery in there. Now this is a chemical resistant pump with Viton seals, so things like hypo are not going to damage the pump. So it's really good, robust pump with a filter built in there as well. This is a 6.1 litres per minute flow to this pump. Now most window cleaning pumps, for example, are about 5 litres per minute. So this is a slightly higher flow rate, which is fantastic. means I'm going to be able to apply the chemical nice and quickly and smoothly. There's also a little charger here. It comes with a charger, so it's a nice little charging plug there, which is nice and convenient, just so you can keep the battery nice and charged. And you can just tuck that in there. And it's got a V16 controller. These are fantastic, these new controllers. I've got these on my van mounted system. They run the pump more smoothly and quietly. It treats the pump much more gently with the stop start as well that we window cleaners often have on the pole. So yeah, really brilliant. So you just fill the barrel, comes with a barrel, fill it with diluted chemical, mix to the strength you want it. The pump will suck it up here and it will come out this end, straight up the pole that I'm using. To show you the pole I'm using today, the method I like to use for applying chemical to this roof. So I like to use a water-fed pole window cleaner's brush like this. It's an old gardener brush, but it's actually a hot water brush. So the bristles are a bit more rigid, a bit stiffer, and I really like it for this because it glides across the roof tiles quite nicely. And this one's actually got 2 fan jets. So the fan jets will just spray the chemical across the roof really nice and evenly. And because I've got 2 jets, I'm really keen to try out the slightly higher flow, help me apply that chemical a bit more quickly. I really want to saturate the surface. That's a really great way to do it. So that's how I'm going to be doing it. And the chemical I'm also using today, I'm going to try this for the first time, GK Pro. This is the highest concentrate biocide chemical out there on the market. So it's really good. I've not tried it before, but it's a slightly different brand to what I normally use. Now the other great thing about this is it's meant to be a bit slightly thicker as well. So it should foam up nicely. It should stick really well to the roof. And the other thing I'm going to do as I'm working, I'm going to spray starting from the bottom of the roof, working up the roof. And that's also going to help reduce the runoff. Now, it's quite a nasty chemical. The great thing about using the brush is the chemical won't be airborne. Helps keep the chemical down on the surface, which is really good. But even so, I've got my health and safety gear. I've got really good, thick, chemical resistant gloves. I've got a set of glasses to protect my eyes and a P3 mask. Really important. You can get full face mask, which is really good because you don't want to breathe this stuff in, but also you don't want to get it on your skin. A full face mask is good. I've got really big glasses, and I'm also going to put my coat back on. It's a bit humid today, but I want to cover up my skin as much as possible. So let's mix it up, fire this thing up, and get the chemical on. fantastic. Went really well, really quick. I've been using the pump at about 70, and I did feel like I was going quite a bit quicker than I normally would. I find normally when I do it, I'm having to hold myself back slightly, but yeah, I was able to go nice and quick. I felt like I was getting a nice saturated coat onto the roof. You really want to saturate the tiles nicely, so I felt like that really went on really well, and yeah, got the job done really nicely. So really great. It's great to have this nice little neat pump box all in one little package there that tucks away nicely in the van. Really got on well with that, so really pleased. The roof is looking absolutely fantastic. Really pleased with the result we've been able to achieve, and the Biocide's going to keep it clean, help it stay cleaner for longer as well, act as a preventative. And the GK Pro seemed really fantastic actually, seemed to go on nice and thick, nice and foamy, so that's really cool too, and hardly need any. I only used about 100 ml in 25 litre barrel, a bit over 100 ml probably, so that's a nice strong mix. It's great for the roof. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Loads more on my channel, don't forget. Loads more roof cleaning, pressure washing, window cleaning. Check it out, and see you guys again very soon.